I uploaded my first video over 2 weeks ago on this channel. I wasn't prepared for the aftermath, I'll tell you that. If you are still waiting on the sidelines, do yourself a favor and upload the first video now. The first upload didn't make me an expert, but it did do one thing. It definitely made me more aware. So I spent 3 years wanting to get a channel started, went back and forth on what niche to go with, bought a bunch of equipment, watched countless hours of how to start a YouTube channel. Then a few weeks ago, I finally got the nerve, don't ask me how, but I finally got the nerve to upload that first video. And things changed after I uploaded it. They changed so much, I brainstormed a second channel, which unrelated to this one, but I launched that as well, right alongside of this one. And in 2 weeks, I've created and uploaded 6 or 7 videos in total between the two channels, and it changed everything. Here's the thing I didn't understand. YouTube does not become real until you publish. At our age, we can talk ourselves out of things because we think we should already know how to do it. But YouTube is one of those things where you only learn by doing it, honestly. Before uploading, I was thinking about the content, where I set up my lighting, how was it set up, is the camera angle good? Then you record and watch it back for the first time, and the audio maybe is not great. You're not where you wanted to be in the frame. Your hair looks weird. Look, whatever. But you again, you convince yourself that it's just not good enough. When you finally record, edit, and upload, none of those things even crossed my mind. Now it was how good was the hook? What can I do to make the thumbnail better? Should I change the title? It's different. It's very different once you get that first video up there. Trust me. You could watch 100 videos about thumbnails, but the first time your own thumbnail is sitting there next to everybody else's, you will see it differently. Then there's this feeling you get. The best way I can explain this is publishing gave me momentum. It gave me a feeling of accomplishment, a little pride, and a whole new level of awareness. It's so hard to explain, but uploading that first video created a beast. It really did. I encourage you, any of you who are struggling to finally upload that first video, just do it. Not to steal the line from Nike, but really just do it. It felt so good to refresh that screen and see your first ever video for the channel published. I had very low expectations, to be honest. The video is basic and mainly talks about what the channel's about. It has minimal editing. There's absolutely no B-roll, imperfect lighting, which I'm still kind of working on here. And it was just a straightforward video to get my feet wet. A few hours later, there was even a couple of views. You know, you can't help but wonder, who are these people watching my video? And how did they find my video? I didn't tell a single person I was starting a channel or that I uploaded my first video. By morning, there was nearly 100 views. Then afternoon, 150. I think by the end of that night, 200 views or so. And over the course of the next few days, it broke over 250 views. You know, it's like Mike's going viral. To say I was shocked would be an understatement. And the comments and encouragement, wow. There's some fantastic people out there to take the time not only to watch my video, but to then take even more of your time and comment. My mind is blown, and I want to thank each and every one of you that did watch and comment. It really hit me. It made it worth it, and it boosted my confidence for sure. You know, the views tell you someone found your video. The comments tell you that the message connected. The impressions tell you that YouTube tested it. Click through rate tells you whether the title and thumbnail are working. The retention tells you whether the video held attention. And these are all things that I had heard and watched videos on, but didn't really sink in until after that first one was posted. So beyond all that, your senses are all now at a new level. Everything from the past 3 years seem to come into focus. I became more aware of what's in my thumbnails, the wording, what's in the background, everything. You seem to get a much clearer picture of what the title should be. You get better at getting keywords into your hook, cutting fluff from your script. There's a lot goes on after you see that first one up there. again, your awareness is heightened. Even some of the services out there like vidIQ became more understood. It's easy to watch a video about what they do and how it works, but until you upload a video and vidIQ can start looking at your work, you really don't get it until then. And this is not a promotion for vidIQ by any means. I just happened to have signed up for one of their free services a few months back, and honestly, I just didn't think much of it. But until you upload, then you can see the magic it helps you with. It goes through and it'll watch your video, it looks through it, it finds keywords, gives you suggestions, title suggestions, optional thumbnails it'll create for you right on in your studio. You also start to view videos from creators that you might have been watching for years in a different way. You start to notice their editing style, where they use B-roll, how their hooks sound. You just become more aware. Also, by uploading, you have to get comfortable with the back end of YouTube, and truly understand the settings in the studio. I could watch 100 videos on the subject, but doing it just makes it so much more real, and it starts to all make more sense to you. If you have videos you've made just sitting or uploaded and set to private, do yourself a favor and release the beast. Upload them and make them public. Nobody's first videos were perfect, and they don't need to be. Let's be honest. Even in my case, 275 views on a video you release to the entire world, it's absolutely nothing. The people that are gonna see your videos when you first upload them are people you don't know, and you'll most likely never even meet unless you've invited a bunch of friends and family to your channel, and even then, so what? Who cares? If you put it up and you don't like it, let it go for a week or 2. I guarantee you, you're gonna see things a little differently. After a week or 2, if it bothers you that much, take it down. I'm telling you, getting that first one out changes everything. There's things even like affiliate links. Makes more sense once you have content posted and you can sign up for them. I'm not saying you're gonna make, money overnight, but now you have a real place to test those links, to learn descriptions and understand how the business side works. So it might not be much, but still, imagine the feeling when the first check hits your bank. These are just a few examples of what it is you'll have a much clearer vision of and things you will, in a way, be forced to learn. So if you're still waiting, still editing, still researching, still trying to make that first perfect video, just stop. Stop waiting. Upload it. Make it public. Let the learning start because I promise you, the first video probably won't be perfect. Mine wasn't, but it might be the thing that finally gets you moving. Trust me, please upload the video. Okay. All right, guys. Remember, monetize your passion and you will fund your future. We'll see you again in the next one here in a few days. Thanks.